to change the reticle color in darkest days. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to easily change the color of your reticle in darkest days. Firstly, open up the darkest days application on your device, and once you're inside the game, tap on the tablet icon at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, go ahead and tap on the gear button. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and select the QOL option at the top and go to reticle color. Go ahead and select the color from the preferred options. Choose the color you want for your crosshair or reticle and then get back to the game. Click OK to apply the change and you'll notice the reticle color different from now onwards. So that's how you do it. Pick the color that's easy for you to see and get back into the action. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.